Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see send follow request on Instagram. So just follow me and I'll tell you how to do. First of all, open up your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Now tap on option setting on top right corner. Now in settings and privacy, here you cannot see any option like send follow request. So just go back and tap again on top right corner of options. Now you have to tap on your activity and here just scroll down and tap on download your information. Now tap on request a download, tap on your next. Now tap on select type of information. And here you just have to tap on friends, followers and super VN and tap on next. After tapping on it, now just scroll down and tap on followers and following and tap on next. After tapping on that, the Instagram will send you the information of sent follow request. That's all for today. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.